This is a video introduction to using a digital recorder. The power switch is on the right side of the device. Once the device is turned on, you can set the date and time by clicking the menu button, pressing the down button until you reach the wrench icon, and then pressing the right button to navigate through the options in the list. Press the OK button to select time and date. Use the up and down buttons to adjust each option, and the left and right buttons to move to another item. The digital recorder sorts recordings into file folders A through E. You can navigate through the 5 folders by pressing the Folder/Index button. You can use each of these folders for a different subject. When you're ready to begin recording audio, press the button that reads REC for Record. While recording, you can press the Folder/Index button to place bookmarks in the recording. Bookmarks can be used to mark the beginning of a new slide or topic in a lecture, and they can only be placed while recording. The numbers in the top left of the display next to the folder letter indicates which recording you are listening to in the folder and how many recordings in total exist in the folder. In this instance, the number reads 01 over 01, meaning the first recording is selected and it is the only recording in the folder. To play back the recording, press the play button in the middle. You can adjust the volume by pressing the plus and minus buttons. You can press the rewind and fast forward buttons to skip between bookmarks in the recording. Press stop when you are done listening to the recording. To delete a recording, press the erase button. You will be given the option to delete the recording that is currently selected or delete all recordings in the folder. After I deleted the recording, the number in the top left corner changed to reflect that the current folder is empty. The digital recorder takes 2 AAA batteries for power. The recorder also has a built-in USB export which allows you to transfer files to your computer, but will not charge the device.